What's up? What's up? We are back to another reaction, and we are reacting to Upchurch's Do Something About It. You already know. Let's get it started.
I ain't gotta say it, look at me, they know I'm famous. Wash my ass and
yo! It just starts off dope. I like that. It actually just starts off so dope. Holy crap.
gold trim, white marble in the cabin. You ain't heard me, Casa looking like it's Gatlinburg. Fireplace full of stone, cause I wish a crack of wood. I ain't even talking shit, but
okay.
in the sticks, it's understood. Roots run deep, still standing where I stood. I'm a Nashville, Tennessee, and mud caked on Europeans. Tent so damn dark, all the haters, I can't see them. Weeping willows round my house, I eat the shrooms and then I laugh it up. Pull out Schwarzenegger choppers, watch them hop a Briarfoot. I'm Captain Ripper Ratchet, cuz ain't got hooks of magic, bro. If you don't give a damn, then we don't give a fuck. I'm the shit right now, bitch, do something about it. Mr. Rocky top tier, born to climb a fucking mountain. And the smoky's only smoky, cause my joints I stopped counting. I'ma beat a shit forever, tell them do something about it. And
Dog. Damn. I want somebody to do something about it. Cause I'm black and I'm southern and I'm country. Bitch, do something about it.
bet nobody really gonna do something about it. I ain't seeing nobody that'll do something about it. I don't really give a fuck if you come do something about it. Cause it really don't matter if you do something about it. Hey, these motherfuckers on the internet speculate my pupil with, cause they ain't got no bitches and they driving daddy's whip. Oh, can I hold a 20? If not, they'll try to steal a mama didn't even try. Fuck a country song, nigga. And if cancer was a gun.
Did you just say what up? Shit, fucking church. Man, you my wigger, man.
Give me that, I'll pull the trigger. Not merely bouncing up my brain, cause my brain waves are bigger. Superstar chewing tobacco, spit the most big dipper. All these rappers are my sons, I hope they shining blind millions. I'm the shit right now, bitch, do something about it. Mr. Rocky top tier, born to climb a fucking mountain. And the smoky's only smoky, cause my joints I stopped counting. I'ma beat a shit forever, tell them do something about it. And I bet nobody really gonna do something about it. I ain't seeing nobody that'll do something about it. I don't really give a fuck if you come do something about it. Cause it really don't matter if.
Man, this is a country banger. Yo. Man, after this video, I'm about to have this shit on repeat. Turn the volume all the way up. Let the speakers just roar.
I was born in the problem, sissy father, stupid ass mama, high school dropout, out roaming on my own as a lone rider. That's why I'm covered in tats and cuss at people when I wanna rub dirt on my scars and never even go to the doctor. A broken heart is damaged, but mine been broken a couple times. Now my shower fits a dozen dimes, a dozen keys to classic rides. I look in the mirror, then give myself a high five and point the Desert Eagle at my reflective side like move, right? I'm the shit right now, bitch, do something about it. Mr. Rocky top tier, born to climb a fucking mountain. And the smoky's only smoky, cause my joints I stopped counting. I'ma beat a shit forever, tell them do something about it. And I bet nobody really gonna do something about it. I ain't seeing nobody that'll do something about it. I don't really give a fuck if you come do something about it. Cause it really don't matter if you do something about it.
Really want someone to do something about it. I don't think nobody gon' do nothing about it. Ain't nobody
Yo, he was talking his yo, look. He was running that. Man, that's a country banger for real. I don't care what nobody says. Man, that right there, that's a summer anthem. I'm telling y'all, it's a summer anthem. Because I wish somebody would do something about it. I wish he had open verses, man. I'd get on that and I'd tear that whole beat up. No. I'm just having fun with these reactions. Like, these are just fun. Like, these are just... I don't even care about, like, the views or the fame. I'm just doing this because this is fun. Listening to my favorite artists. Just have fun in the booth. Having fun with the camera right now. Like, oh, this is... That was dope. But we got another one coming right after this one. Same attire, same hat, same person, same everything. Because you know what? Do something about it. We're off to the next one. Later.